Morning everyone, it's Saturday morning. I'm just waiting for Scott Winard and Peter Sharcliffe to come. Then we're going to have a ride up to Troon to the Scottish Bonsai Association. What I've done this morning is I've watered all the trees because I know the sun will not look after them for us. I've also sprayed fungicide on the English Yews, because if you haven't seen, Tony Tickle put a post on Facebook that there's an airborne fungus that's killing all the yews off, and he's lost about 5 or 6 specimen trees. So what I urge is to get out this weekend and get some fungicide on your English yews. Also Graham from our club, he's lost a few, so it's a must if you've got English yews. So this is just a little short intro to see what's happening today. What we'll do is when we're up there, me and Scott will get some videos and everything and we'll post them on YouTube. So this weekend, get out and spray your English yews if you want them to live, and I'll catch you in a bit when we're up in Scotland. Ta-da, folks!